Welcome to Bern, Switzerland. Bern, the capital of Switzerland, it's a stunning medieval town. Throughout its history, Bern has been recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site with its incredible long history and a marvelous old town. It is located right in the middle of the country, making it extremely easy accessible from Switzerland. The excellent location also makes Bern a perfect day for day trip as you explore the country. We visited Bern as a part of our trip to Switzerland from Interlaken. It's 1 hour drive to Bern. The old town is filled with charming streets with stunning architect and historic landmarks all around. The most convenient way to get Bern is by train, and you can get to Bern from most large Swiss cities by train. It takes about an hour from Zurich and 2 hours from Geneva. Once you reach Bern, the main train station is located right in the center of the city. The city is compact and a great day for day trip. Most of the attractions are located in Altstadt and within walking distance from each other. Once you're in Bern, you will see all attractions just by walking without taking any transportation. By sometimes, you just need a little break. Bern has a great public transport system that extensively covers the city and surrounding areas. Easy to use. You can buy tickets from machines at their main train station. Switzerland has a fascination with clocks and Bern is not behind. Walking in the old town, you'll find the clock tower, Zytglogge, which is located in the middle of the town. It is a medieval clock that was built in 1218 and served as a city tower for defensive purpose. In 1530, the extraordinary mechanical working clocks were built and the original clock's mechanism are still working and maintained today. If you are interested in the clocks, you can even tour inside the tower and learn all about functioning of this historical clock. A beautiful work piece of art and craftsmanship that is worth admiring.
हेलो हाँ हाँ कहाँ है स्वप्निल? अरे वो जो क्लॉक टावर था ना उसके सीधे सीधे हम लोग बाहर आ गए। हाँ सीधे सीधे बाहर आ गए हम लोग। नहीं नहीं उस तो सूर्य पॉइंट करके है तो बोले क्या चीज़ है देखने करके सूर्य पॉइंट।
If he wants, he can get one of these.
Can you put it in his hand?
Yeah.
It's okay.
Sure.
He's
Yeah, all the kids love it. I don't know why, but all of them, they want one. That's alright, thank you.
Jack, show the hand.
Here you go. Watch out.
There is some kind of food festival is going today on this bridge, which is in the middle of the Bern. The vibe is very good. Let's see what they offer. In the Middle Ages, there was very strong connection between politics and church. Religious events were an important part of everyday life. Those who were entitled to vote would attend political gatherings in churches. In the 15th century, Bern was the largest city north of Alps. It had a lot of influence and became the important political power. Soon the people wanted an adequate church, and it's not surprising that the city of Bern commissioned the Minster. The build began in 1421 of Cathedral of Bern. The Altstadt, means Old Town in German, was found in 1191 and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site today. The streets are cobbled and bordered by the covered arcade, tower, and 16th century fountain with their beautiful statues. It is charming and quaint town which is well preserved medieval architect you will see around. There are also many little shops, cafes, restaurants, and hidden treasures awaiting you to discover. Bern Altstadt is compact and very suitable for walking. Enjoy your time walking the cobblestone street and learn how the old medieval core has been adopted the new modern world. On the way, keep your eyes out of famous fountain lining on the main street. Walking around the old town is a real pleasure. It is recommended to have 2 to 3 hours to discover and absorb the history, food, and culture of Old Town of Bern. Pick a great day to stroll the street. Take some time to get lost in the old town. Admire its historic architect and eat some Bern local cuisine. A day trip to Bern gives you a glimpse of Swiss Old Town with a relaxing vibe.
मैप में कहाँ पे है फिर अपन चले जाएंगे
नहीं ये देखने के लिए
क्या है
ये कुछ नहीं ना नीचे टाउन नहीं रहेगा कुछ अच्छा
टाउन है यार
If you like the video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.
पहले पैर दुख रहे हैं